Welcome to our video on health and wellness hacks. Improve your quality of life. In this video, we will be sharing some practical hacks that you can incorporate into your daily routine to enhance your overall health and well-being. Start your day off right with a healthy morning routine. Incorporate activities such as stretching, meditation, or journaling to set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Taking a few minutes for yourself in the morning can promote mental clarity and help you feel more grounded. A balanced and nutritious diet is essential for good health. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your meals. Opt for colorful and natural foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals. Eating well can provide your body with the necessary fuel to thrive. Physical activity is crucial for both your physical and mental well-being. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy and can stick to. Whether it's going for a walk, practicing yoga, or hitting the gym, staying active boosts your energy levels, improves your mood, and helps maintain a healthy weight. A good night's sleep is vital for your overall health and quality of life. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Limit screen time before bed, and ensure you have a comfortable sleeping environment. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize your physical and mental well-being. In today's fast-paced world, managing stress is essential. Find effective ways to unwind and relax, such as practicing mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. By implementing these health and wellness hacks into your daily life, you can improve your overall quality of life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Take the time to prioritize your health and well-being and enjoy the benefits of a healthier and happier lifestyle.